What's going on, families? Shari Jones.
And I'm Kiana.
And we're giving you guys a special tour today. Okay, this is the Trading with the Joneses tour. And what we're actually going to do is we actually want to have a serious talk. We decided to go to do a video instead of trying to get on the Zoom with everybody. But we want to share with everybody what we're doing in the foreign exchange market, how we're making our money. And we also want to show you what you can do. No, and the main thing that we want to let you guys know is that if anybody can do this, you know, it's not like we got special DNA or we super smart or anything like that. Really, anybody can do this. And we don't want people, some people scared. Some people scared of trading. You know, they think that it's hard. They think they're going to lose money or whatever. But we actually have tools. And we actually want to show you exactly what we're doing, how we're making our money, and how you can actually do it as well, and how you can do it fast, okay? Fast. So we're actually getting ready to show you guys is binary options, what we call binary options, which is a different way of trading where you're actually only in trades between 3 to 6 minutes, okay? About 3 to 6 minutes, you're in a trade, you're actually in, and you're out of the trade, so it's not like you're in there for a long time. And we're going to show you how we're combining trading and compounding. We're actually going to show you what trading looks like live. You want to see a live trade, and we're going to show you how you could take what we're doing, what we just showed you, how you can take it and actually compound an account, right? Some of you guys may not know about compounding, but you're going to know today, right? Okay, so what I'm going to get ready to do is get ready to share my screen. While I'm sharing my screen, Kiana's just going to share with you guys why she likes compounding and why she likes what we call high frequency or binary options.
Yeah, so I like it because it's a lot faster. Regular Forex, you can be in a market hours, days, weeks, months. And you got to make sure you're positioning things properly. So you take your stop losses or you taking your profits at certain points. You got to really manage the trade in Forex, which is nothing wrong with that, you know, because you can make a lot of money in a little bit of time. You get in the trade, you know, at the right moment. But high frequency, in my personal opinion, is a lot more manageable. And what I mean by that is, I'm able to trade for 1 hour a day, which is what I do. I trade 1 hour during a week, and I get 2 to 3 trades in an hour on average. Not only that, I follow the software. I have an educator, and my favorite part is the compound plan. I love high frequency because it works excellent with the compound plan. And we're going to show you exactly what we're talking about. So this is the reason we decided to do this, is because this is something anybody could do. And when you see the magic of compounding, starting from a very modest number and being patient and being willing to commit to a goal that may come way quicker than you think, this is an amazing platform.
Absolutely, absolutely. So what I'm going to get ready to show you is actually what binary options or high frequency trading is. So basically, it's a time-based trading to where you're going to get in a trade, you know, for like 2, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. So right here, this is actually a demo. This is a demo account. This is not, you know, a real account. So I'm not here trying to showboat. You know, this is actually for demonstration purposes only. You know, because we can't really show our live accounts, you know, on these videos. So right here, you see that we have this M2. This M2 basically means that it's 2 minutes or 3 minutes, right? So if I click on M3, it's going to show M3 for 3 minutes. And the way that this works is, what you're going to do is you're going to put up a risk, right? Now, this is not the casino, right? You're actually putting up a risk, but you're using a real skill to know when to get in and to get out of a trade. So here, as an example, we have an amount of $10 when my mouse is moving. So I'm going to risk $10, right? And what I want to do is I'm actually going to, if I push the up button, this up arrow, I believe that this dot is going to go higher at the time that I push it. If I push the down arrow, I believe that this dot is going to go down at the time that I push it, right? So what I want to do is I actually want to push the arrow, and I want to see if I'm right, you know, for 3 minutes. If I'm right for 3 minutes, if it goes above for 3 minutes, then I make money. If it doesn't, if it goes against me, then I lose money, right? Losing is a part of the game, right? It's a part of trading, right? But because we're doing this with the skill set and with software, then it becomes not gambling, but it becomes a skill, okay? So right now, I'm actually going to show you one of our strategies that we have right here. This is actually called the Web Slinger, all right? This is a Web Slinger. I'm always joking about the Web Slinger because we talk about Spider-Man. So what happened was, actually, right here, we got a buy arrow, right? And once this buy arrow came, we would have wanted to get into this trade for 3 minutes. We actually missed this trade. I was actually setting up for this trade when we started this video, but we kind of missed it. Now I was like, man, this thing like it's about to take off, and it actually did. So we had this buy arrow, and this is the pair that we're looking at is USD JPY, the US dollar versus the Japanese yen, right? And this thing literally jumped up after we got this arrow. So if I come over here, you can see that that thing jumped up probably about right down here is where we got the arrow. Probably about right here is where we got the arrow. And that thing just took off and kept on going up. Okay, and it just never looked back. It just took off and kept on going up and never looked back. Had we got into that trade, we would have been in this trade for 3 minutes and we would have won $10, but we actually would have got paid 70%. Okay, 70% on the $10. So you actually got a $7 profit, right? So you would actually make $7 in 3 minutes. Had you risked $100 on the same trade, they would have paid 70% of that. You would have made $70 in 3 minutes. Had you risked $1,000, right? And you did the same trade, you would have made $700 in 3 minutes. So I'm going to do, I'm actually going to wait and see if we get another opportunity. I actually might scroll through a couple of more of these different pairs to see if there's any opportunities around here. Let's look at Euro JPY, see if there's an opportunity. Oops, let's see if there's an opportunity here. Let's see what we got going on. This thing is already taken off. Same thing. We had the blue arrow. Okay, we had the blue arrow here, and that thing took off. So the market has been paying, and all you really had to do is what? Sit here on the software and look for the arrows. Just simply look for the arrows. This was another nice entry right here. We had a blue arrow here that came out, and the market is still going up on Euro GBP. So what I'm going to do is let's go back to Euro USD JPY and see if we're getting a entry. Now, this is not the only software that we have. We actually have Hourglass here as well. And this thing right here is simple as well. It's simple too, where you simply would get an arrow and you're going to get a score. And if your score is like a 3 or a 4 or higher, you see, and you got a green arrow, you just simply take the trade up. If it's a red arrow with the score of 3, 4 or higher, then you're going to take the trade down. And the market has been giving away a lot of money. We just missed all the good trades. Okay. We're gonna get you guys a live demonstration of the market. So right here we have what, a 5. Let's see here. The Aussie is really strong. We don't want to take this. So while I'm doing this, so the software actually gives you these numbers. And if the top number is bigger, you want to look for buys in the market. You don't want to look for a sell like this, even though it's a score of 4 or higher. And you got an arrow down because the Aussie is a lot stronger. We want green arrows up, you know, absolutely. That's why we didn't take that trade, you know. So let's look over here. We got the Euro AUD. Let's see here. This thing going to populate for us, Euro AUD. All right, so Euro AUD is the same thing. We're getting the score up, but see the bottom number is bigger, so we want to look for red arrows. So right now we're just simply waiting in the market. So right now this looks like we might be getting a good entry right here. We might be getting close to a good entry right here. We're just going to kind of wait on the market and see if we get a nice arrow. See if we get a nice arrow up, We're just going to be a little patient. To see what we get here. We kind of want this blue line to cross over. Yeah, we want this thing to cross over. So if this thing crosses over, we're going to go ahead and take a 3 minute buy. See, we just got the arrow right here. And now we're just waiting patiently. Okay, we're waiting patiently for the candle to cross over this light blue line. If it crosses over that light blue line, we're going to go ahead and take a 3 minute buy. So while we're waiting, we're going to talk a little bit about the Academy and how we get access to the products. Okay, so one of the ways that we get access to the products is, I'm actually going to pull up this for you. It's via joining the Academy. Okay, joining the Academy, where we're talking strictly about HFX or binary options. And it's real simple. When you join the Academy, you're looking at $235 to get started and $175 per month, right? And some of you guys may be like, man, that's a lot of money. Look, it's $6 a day. Okay, $6 a day is not a lot of money, because you're talking about the foreign exchange market is $1 trillion a day market. So you're talking about $1 trillion every single day is flowing through this market. And all you have to do is plug in with the software, plug in with the educators, and they're going to teach you how to do this. And the software is going to do a lot of the work for you. Yeah. All you have to do is learn how to use the software, learn how to wait on the right arrows, and then you're just going to simply take a trade. It's real simple stuff, right? Real simple stuff. So right now we're just still waiting on our opportunity. Yeah. Still waiting on our opportunity. And when our opportunity comes, we're going to take the trade and we're going to show you how you can actually do what we're doing. Okay. Simply by being patient, waiting on the market. We're going to show you how you can do what we're doing and you can actually grow an account. Okay. Yeah. Now, like I said, losing is a part of the game. Listen, we may wait on this trade. We may win. We may lose it. We don't know, but we're going to show you, okay, how the software works. So right now we just broke right here. We got a nice arrow right here. Okay. We got 26 seconds left. So when this candle is done, we're going to go ahead and hop in for a 3 minute buy. We're going to hop in for a 3 minute buy over here on pocket options, right? We're going to risk $100. We're going to risk $100 off of this. We're going to see if we can make $70. Yeah. In 3 minutes, right? So we got 3 seconds left. So we're going to come over here and we're going to take a 3 minute buy off this little pullback, off this little drop down. And so just to give you guys an idea of what we're looking at. So we just got into a 3 minute trade, right? 3 minute trade. And you see, we got this green dot and we have this line coming across, this green line, and it ends here. By the time this dot gets here, this trade will close. If this dot is above the green line, by the time we get here, we made our $100 back. We get our $100 back that we risked plus a $70 profit. So we'll make $70 in profit in 3 minutes. If this line drops below, if this dot drops below the green line, then we'll lose the $100, right? We'll lose the $100, but you know, we have a nice amount in our accounts. So we live to trade another day. Absolutely. So we're going to show you how you can actually trade with this. I'm showing you how to trade with the software now, right? How we're trading with this software now, but how you can actually take this software and we're going to show you how you can start with an account. You don't have a lot of money. You're going to be able to compound your account over time by taking these 3 minute trades. Whether you find one trade a day, whether you find 2 trades, 3 trades a day, you don't got to sit here all day. Now these trades only last 3 minutes. So you can actually sit here for like maybe 30 minutes to an hour a day. You can trade in the market, take 3 minute trades, be in and out of the market. Then you go on with your day. This is not quit your job. When I'm telling you to quit your job,
not yet.
So you know, the trade full of time. What I'm telling you to do is that while you're working your job or while you're working your business, whatever you have, you can now have this working for you as well creating, compounding, multiplying your money while you're working your job, while you're working your business, while you're pursuing your dreams. A lot of us, you know, some people want to be actors, people want to be comedians, you know, people want to make music. Listen, you can have this fun whatever you love to do. You know, that's why most of us do this. So why? It frees up our time. Because I could get up in the morning, I could trade for a couple of hours, you know, make my money in the morning, and then what? It frees up my time to go out and do other things that I want to do. You know, me and my wife, we want to travel. We want to go places. So we're actually getting ready to in this trade. So here we got, this is our countdown. This counted down our 3 minutes. We got 27 seconds left on this trade. 27 seconds left on this trade. And we just need this dot to stay above this green line by the time it gets to this blue line, and then it's going to close our trade. When it closes, we will say something like clear, which means we cleared the trade, which means that we did everything that we were supposed to do. The software found a very good entry, and boom, we've cleared the trade. Okay, so we cleared the trade, and we just made $70 in 3 minutes. Now tell me this, tell me where can you go and make $70 in 3 minutes?
And not be gambling.
I'm listening. Okay, and what did we do? We used the software. We used the software, and we just simply followed the instructions of the software. We waited for our arrows. We waited for it to cross the proper thresholds, and then we got into the trade for 3 minutes. Now what we're going to show you, my wife is going to talk to you a little bit about this, is how you're going to take this strategy that I'm showing you, this Web Slinger strategy, or the hourglass strategy here that we have. We have a lot of different strategies. You know, we got the sniper shot strategy over here that you can use with high frequency, which is a pretty cool strategy. So we got all of these different strategies that you can use. We got the blue gator strategy. We got all kind of different strategies that you can use, right? And I just showed you a couple of them, right? Most of them have arrows, and they're helping you out. So now what my wife is going to do is show you how to take these strategies and how to use proper risk management, okay, and create a compound plan. If you need me to help you out with anything, baby, just let me know.
Okay. All right. So you guys, this website is compounddaily.org. You definitely want to write that down. Compounddaily.org. When you get to this website, you want to click on Compound Daily.
Yeah, my son is going to bring over. Got it.
Okay, cool. Now, this Compound Daily Interest Calculator is something amazing, you guys. So Albert Einstein has called compounding one of the 8 wonders of the world. And you're going to see why, okay? So when we come over here, I want to start with a very modest number, because who wants to lose their money, right? You're getting into a market you're unfamiliar with, you're taking on new skills, new practices. You want to feel safe with your money. So let's start very modestly. Let's say $5. I know everybody got $5 they can put up, you know, to invest with. So we're going to start this with $5. Okay. Now, daily interest rate and percentage. This right here we'll explain when we get back to the broker site, but each trade that we take, the broker is offering us a certain percentage. We want to take 70% or higher. Okay, that's the goal. 70% or higher. So that's what goes here. Length of terms in days. Here they have days. We're not taking trades by days because we can take 2, 3, 4 trades in a day. So the days are replaced with trades. Length of term in trades. Okay, so let's just take days out and put trades there. I don't know, let's say 90 days. Most jobs give you a 90-day probation. Let's see what we can do with these 90 days probation, trading in high frequency. Let's see what kind of success we can have. So let's put 90 days here, just for fun.
Or 90 trades.
That's correct. We're swapping days with trades. Thank you for correcting me. Daily reinvest rate. Now, let me tell you something. This is what I absolutely love about this compound plan. This is a very safe and secure compound plan because here we're only going to reinvest 20% of all of our earnings. That means you're keeping 80% of everything you earn. How you can't get no safer than that. You start with $5. You making 70% off of every trade, and you're keeping 80% and only reinvesting 20. Let me show you what this is gonna do. Okay, so we're gonna hit calculate now. I really would like to ask, just for you to put a number in your head, if you didn't see anything already, what kind of number you think that would be? It's only $5, right? 90 days for $5. Okay, I'm making 70%, but it's just $5. And it's only 90 trades, right? Some people may think, you know, maybe it'll grow to 1,000. I'll be happy with 1,000 in 90 days from $5. Some may be a little more aggressive and say maybe 10,000. Maybe that $5 will compound daily to $10,000 in 90 days, right? Well, let's just see. Look at this, you guys. This is for real. This is your initial $5, okay? Your principal amount grew $662.24 and $24.
$662,000.
Thank you, baby. Say something. That was so big. Say it, baby.
$662,024.53.
Did y'all hear that?
That's what you got left to trade with after you pay yourself.
Did you hear that? The total cash withdrawals were.
Means you pay yourself.
Go ahead, baby.
$2,648,078.03.
Did y'all hear that? Did you hear that? So is this the 20% that's left over?
That's the 20% that you got left over to trade after you pay yourself the 2.6.
Did you hear that? So the total amount earned, starting with $5, taking 90 successful, the key is successful trade. Okay?
Using the software that we just showed you.
Your total earnings is $3,310,300 baby, say that.
$3,310,097.55.
Such a big number. Look, I have to learn how to speak in millions, okay? That's a new language for me I'm about to learn, okay? Speaking in millions. You guys, this breaks it down so simply for you. It tells you your first trade. We're going to ignore the dates because it doesn't have to be on this specific date, okay? But let's just scratch this out and just say that your first trade, all right? Your earnings is $350 after you start with $5. You're going to reinvest 20%, which is only 70 cents, and you're saving $2.80, okay? And so it tells you, again, you take that 70 cents, you add it to that $5, and you reinvest that so you can trade with that for your next trade, okay? And you do it all the way down, you guys, until you get to that 90th trade. Look at that. Who knew? Who knew? And that is why we're on here, because we don't know. We wonder how the wealthy stay wealthy, because they're smart with their money. They're smart with their money. They know secrets that we weren't aware of. We didn't know about the foreign exchange market. It's been around for over 400 years. I don't think it's a coincidence that most people don't know about the foreign exchange market. And prior to IM Academy, we couldn't even afford to participate. You had to have big money to be able to even get in the game. And even to learn the skill, you had to pay big money. I'm talking about thousands of dollars for like a weekend training. This is small money, small pennies to invest in an opportunity to make you millions of dollars, starting with $5 and 90 trades. You guys, that's why we're here. We're here because we really believe we can help change a lot of families' lives. We really believe that we can answer some prayers. God is using us to help answer some prayers, to uplift some communities. I mean, that's why we're here. And that's why we created this video. so that we can one-on-one personally explain to you why we're so excited about this platform and why we wanted to share this with you today.
Absolutely. And to be realistic, we're not saying that you're going to get in here and win 90 trades in a row.
No.
I'm not going to tell you it may only take 90 days. Between the wins and the losses, because losing is a part of the game.
It is.
So between the wins and the losses, as long as you're using the software, you're going to have about an 80% win ratio. As long as you're using the software properly, you're going to have about an 80% win ratio. So, it may take you 3 months. It may take you 6 months. It may take you a year to get through this entire trade
But
plan.
you're a millionaire. You're a millionaire.
You get $3 million within a year for it to take you to get through the trading plan. Listen, where else would you go and get that done?
With
within a year?
$5. Let's not forget you started with $5.
Absolutely. So, this is what we're doing. We showed you the software. Okay. Showed you the software, 70% payout trades. We showed you the software that we use, and we get in the arrows. We got the Liberty, we got the Hourglass. We have educators as well.
Yes.
Inside.
You're not by yourself.
Exactly. We have educators, as well inside the academy. Let's go here to our go live.
Mm-hmm.
And we have all these educators. Okay. Like Kim Remo, who's an HFX educator.
I love Kim Remo.
Okay.
I trade with him every morning.
We got Millie Mills, who's an HFX educator.
Amazing. She trades in the morning and in the evening, the afternoons and in the evenings.
Absolutely. If we come here, Millie Mills is actually on right now. Educating.
Right now.
Okay. We have all of these different HFX educators that are here, willing and ready to help you, to learn the softwares, to teach you the software. We don't teach the softwares. No. We use the softwares, right? We're students, and we have fun using the software.
Yes, we do.
And we're just inviting our friends and family, those people that we know and love. And even if we just met you, we love you. Okay.
I promise
we love you. And we want people to come and win with us. We want to win together. We want to win, as a family. Don't wait for us to win to see if we win, because if we do win, we probably won't even tell you because we're too busy having a good time, right? But we're telling you, but we're inviting you. We're inviting you to the party now. Get started now.
Take this journey with us.
So that we can all, use the software, use the educators, and learn together. And it's definitely worth $6 a day. Definitely worth $6 a day. So listen, this is what we wanted to share with you guys. So we're going to go ahead and stop sharing the screen. And, we're excited about taking this journey with you guys. We actually get up in the morning. We trade with our team, Monday through Friday, early in the morning, sometimes in the afternoon, sometimes in the evening. We even have other team members that we work with that trade in the evening. So you don't have to do this by yourself. You don't have to do this alone. We're all coming together to do this together as a family.
Yeah.
So after you watch this video, get back with us. Let us know what you like best so that we can answer your questions, get on the Zoom with you, introduce you to some of our millionaire mentors, our six-figure earner mentors, millionaire mentors. We would love to introduce you to our mentors. But it's not all about us.
It's not.
It's about the family, and it's about all of us growing and working together.
It's more fun when we do it together.
Absolutely. Now, we didn't want to make this video super long, but we did stay patient because I wanted to give you guys a good trade with the software. So we stayed patient with that. But we want to go ahead and get off of here. Make sure you get back with us. Give us a phone call. Hit our inbox up on Facebook or Instagram or whatever. And if somebody else sent you this video, get back with the person that sent you this video and let them know, hey, you ready to get started, on this HFX journey, getting these 3-minute trades in every day and compounding your account. So peace and love, family.
Yes, thank you so much for your time and watching. We hope to hear from you very, very soon.
All right, now, guys. See you guys at the top.
Bye.